Cleaning an oven is a task that many homeowners dread. However, it is important to keep your oven clean to ensure that it operates efficiently and does not pose a fire hazard. One of the most effective and eco-friendly ways to clean your oven is by using baking soda and vinegar. In this video, we will explain how to clean your oven using these cheap and safe-to-use household ingredients. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Before starting the cleaning process, you need to remove the oven racks. You can soak them in a mixture of hot water and dish soap while you clean the oven. If the racks are heavily soiled, you can use baking soda and vinegar to clean them as well. To make the cleaning solution, you will need baking soda, white vinegar, and water. Mix half a cup of baking soda with a few tablespoons of water until it forms a paste. Spread the paste all over the inside of the oven, avoiding the heating elements. Next, mix a few tablespoons of white vinegar with a cup of water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture over the baking soda paste in the oven. The mixture will begin to fizz, which is normal and helps to loosen the dirt and grime. Allow the baking soda and vinegar mixture to sit in the oven for at least 12 hours, or overnight. This will give it time to break down any stubborn stains and grime. After the mixture has had time to sit, use a damp sponge or cloth to scrub the oven. The baking soda paste should come off easily, along with any dirt and grime. Use a scraper or old toothbrush to remove any remaining residue in hard-to-reach areas. Once you have removed all the baking soda paste, use a clean damp cloth to wipe down the oven. Rinse the cloth frequently to remove any baking soda residue. You can also use a clean cloth or paper towel to dry the inside of the oven. While the baking soda and vinegar mixture is soaking in the oven, you can use the same mixture to clean the oven racks. Simply spread the baking soda paste over the racks and let it sit for a few hours. Then rinse the racks with water and dry them thoroughly before putting them back in the oven. Cleaning your oven with baking soda and vinegar is an eco-friendly and effective way to keep it clean and running smoothly. Remember to remove the oven racks, prepare the cleaning solution, let the solution sit, scrub the oven, wipe it clean, and clean the oven racks. With these simple steps, you can have a clean oven in no time. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks. Good luck and see you in the next video.